Hello guys, welcome back once. So guys, my name is Masum. Did you get me? What I mean to say? Similarly, if you have camera fear, if you are facing camera phobia, then don't worry. In this video, just give me 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes, I will help you to overcome your camera fear and will help you to remove your camera fear. Initially, everyone is facing that kind of problem. What? Camera fear. Do you know why? Because they think that people will judge him or judge her. But believe me, everyone is busy in their own work. So guys, welcome to this video, day 4 of 21 days English speak with me challenge. Please do subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video or share this video. Now let's go to the main crux. So first thing, close all the doors, all the windows of your room. Keep yourself away from any distraction, any noise. Number 2, just look at your face, look at your eyes, not on the camera lens, because initially you can face any problem if you shoot video by looking at the camera lens. So first of all, look at your eyes, at your face only. Just memorize few sentences and record only 30 seconds video. Then off the camera and watch that video and try to find out the mistakes. If you are not comfortable, then don't upload this video. So do this at least 4 to 5 days. Whenever you will feel that you are comfortable, then start looking at your camera lens and then start shooting your videos. Initially, camera fear is the biggest fear for the beginners. Always try to think positive, because positive thinking make positivity in yourself. Positive thinking create positivity within yourself, and negative thinking creates negativity within yourself. Make mistakes. Mistakes are the part of growth. Always remember, the goal is not YouTube or any social media. The goal is actually comfort, and comfort comes from repetition. So if you follow these simple steps, fear will reduce naturally. So change your mindset and overcome your fear from camera phobia. So apply these tricks and subscribe the channel, like this video, share this video. Let me know in the comment section in which topic you want me to make a video next time. Till then, thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Bye.